There are two types of escalations: normal escalation and emergency escalation. Both types enable you to escalate to any available supervisor, or select a specific supervisor to escalate to. In a normal escalation, your active call is put on hold when you escalate the call. Then you can conference the parties together after you have talked to the supervisor. To perform this type of escalation, whilst on an active call, select the Escalate button in the Supervisors panel, and the system will escalate your call to the first supervisor on the list that is in the idle phone state. Alternatively, you can select a specific supervisor to escalate to, and then select the Escalate button. You will see the call in the Call Console pane. Once you have spoken to your supervisor and you want to join all calls into a conference, select the Conference button. The call will then appear in the Conference panel. To leave the call, but enable the caller and your supervisor to stay in on the line, select Leave. To end the call for all parties, select End. In an emergency escalation, your active call is not placed on hold, and the supervisor is immediately bridged into that call. To perform this type of escalation, whilst on an active call, select the Emergency Escalation button, or select a supervisor and then select Emergency Escalate. The call will appear in the conference call panel as soon as the supervisor answers. To leave the call, but enable the caller and your supervisor to stay in on the line, select Leave. To then end the call for all parties, select End.